And now let's look at this guy. So now we're looking for energy leaks in our equation, okay? So we have whatever his body weight is, his frame. We have the force over mass. The mass is going from whatever his frame is into whatever that disk weighs, which is probably less, to as a product of it, and the product is acceleration. So we go through and we're looking for energy leaks, right? Okay, so right there, compared to Macbeth's form, there is little to no push off of this leg. So we're just kind of going over it like it's a peg leg, right? Kind of going from here to here without really pushing and generating more force. So that's an area that could have force, okay? Now the pull starts, where we could be taking advantage of the musculature in the trunk to generate more force. We're already going in the shoulders. There, okay. Then musculature in the back is leaking because it's not getting in front of him. Right about here, we should have the leg looking something like this, where it's bent and it's going to be then pushing off, creating force down. We have the trunk, which should be rigid and producing force up through the posterior chain. And then at this point, the arm, since it's trying to do all the work and it's not actually riding the wave of the trunk, now it's too far forward. It should be more about here. And then as we go forward, it should be extending to maybe here. And then at his body angle, that's when we should already be following through. So we should already be following through. So see how we're losing the potential to produce more force in the shoulder because he's not extending that elbow through. Not to mention this arm being around and just kind of out and about is leaking energy all over the place. It's taking away from his potential for bringing his mass closer to the center and rotating more quickly. It's all of that movement is taking energy away from what could be going into the disc. So we're losing force that could be getting moved through mass into energy and acceleration.